So how do you answer the question when people say to you, now's not a great time to buy because of the economic situation and obviously interest rates are low, but it's fairly unstable. I mean, what's your sort of view on current climate?
I don't. The type of properties I look for are not dependent on the economy really.
Right.
So whatever the economy is doing, then we try and buy somewhere. We don't speculate on particular regions because that's very difficult to predict which regions are going to go up. We need to buy somewhere that's a good deal,
yes,
that we can add value to by doing something creative. And so in some ways, as long as you can do that fairly quickly,
yes,
and that's what I do, is do things fairly quickly. It's not as if we buy big sites and then get planning permission. It takes 2 or 3 years, and the market can move enormous in 2 or 3 years.
Sure.
We just do something we can do really fast and add the value within a few months.
Sure.
So with that small window, you're much less likely to come a cropper with the market moving.
Sure, sure.
In fact, I think that at the moment the conditions are perfect to accumulate property.
Yeah. Yes.
I think the prices might go down a bit further yet, but that is helpful to us really, because the buyers are expecting to go down, which means that we can offer make low offers, and often they'll be accepted because people think they might. Yeah. But then whatever we buy, we're looking to add value to anyway.
Sure.
So I just think at the moment it's a really good time to buy.
Definitely. I mean, that's something that you mentioned earlier that I think also is a very important point, and something that appeals to me personally, is that when you buy, as you say, who knows what's going to happen, and whilst interest rates are low, the fact is even if they drop slightly, because you're buying properties that have this added value built in, therefore there is a safety net, if you like.
Yes.
So even if they drop slightly, you've still got this safety net built in. So the risk is quite minimal, really.
That's right.
We've had to drop a long way
Yeah.
for you to get into a situation where perhaps you wouldn't get into a negative equity situation.
That's right. For instance, we're just buying 2 houses up in Cannock near Birmingham.
Oh right, yeah.
And they are. We just had them valued by a mortgage surveyor for 110,000 each.
Right.
But we're going to buy them for 88. So
straight away
you've got a margin in there that if the prices do drop by 15%, then you're not in negative equity.
Fantastic.
We might not be able to sell them very fast at the moment, but they are a good long-term investment, and they'll produce a small rental profit in the meantime.
Fabulous.